Hey there, Dr. Egger. It's Travis Shields. I called your office the other day offering a free website audit and competitor analysis. So I'm going to show you 3 things you can fix on your website really easily so you can start beating Broadway Family Dentistry. Because if you type in Mount Pleasant Dentist, they show up at the top here. So you're probably wondering why I would make this video for you. It's really simple. A while ago, I found out that owners are too busy running their business and taking care of patients that they don't really have the time to learn and how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring someone to help is they just don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So what I started doing was giving out these free audits and attack plans. Some take this information and do it themselves. Some call me back. Whatever you want to do is totally okay with me. My only goal is to help you, give you education, and give you some advice. So I'm going to talk to you about 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So content is what Google mostly cares about right now. So the content is all the wording on your website. The more you have, the better. The average website on the front page of Google has roughly 1,500 words of content. So that's where you want to start. So if I select all the content on your homepage and copy it and paste it into this word counter here. So let's go copy. Paste. Your website has 374 words of content. And if we do that with your top competition here, Broadway Family Dentistry, throw them in the word counter. They have 561 words. So this will also give you an opportunity to fit in some keywords such as Mount Pleasant Dentist. So the more you have that inside your content, the more it's going to help Google rank you for that. So keep in mind, you should only have 1 keyword for every 150 words of content. So you can also save pictures as keywords also. So for example, you could save this picture here as Mount Pleasant Dentist, and that would also help you rank for it. That's my first tip for you. The second tip is called backlinks. So backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to you. This is really important because Google is like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites vouching for your website by linking to you. Keep in mind they want to see relevant sites, which means you're going to get a lot more power having other healthcare related websites linking to you. The tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. So this is Ahrefs here. So your website has I think it was 20 backlinks. It's loading here. 1 second. Of course, it's running nice and slow. So here you are. So you have 22 websites linking back to you. And when I go in there and look at them, because you do have more backlinks than the competitor, but sites like some of these, like these are not trustworthy sites. So it's actually going to hurt you more than help you when they consider the ranking. So it's going to be really easy to beat them. If Google thinks that the competitors' backlinks are good enough to rank them, then they're going to be good enough to rank you too. So all I would do is I would visit the websites that are linking to them, and I'd go get those exact same backlinks and get them pointing towards your website. A lot of times you just have to create an account or contact the website to find a way to put a link on their site. Some are free and some cost money. If you put links from these exact websites here to your page like they did, plus you beat them by having more content, that's how you take the #1 spot from them. So the third thing is getting up here in this map pack. So to be at the top here, you need to have more citations than your competitors. So a citation is when you list your name, address, and phone number inside of a directory. A directory is a website that allows you to list your business information, such as Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, and so on. So what I would do if I were you, I'd find out how many citations your top competitor has. So it'd be Mount Pleasant Dental Center here. And then you'd want to double what they have. So if they're in 100 directories, I would put myself in 200 directories. And that's all I got for you. I hope you found this informative and helpful. As a quick recap, excuse me, you want 1,500 words of content with buyer intent keywords. You want to copy your competitors' backlinks and then add a few more to beat them. And then you want to put your name, address, and phone number in double the amount of directories your competitor has. If you follow these 3 tips, this is how you take the #1 spot all across Google. What do you do now? You can either take this information and apply it yourself. If you want someone else to do this for you, or you have any questions, feel free to give me a call at 989-200-4955. I'll be happy to help you out. Either way, thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and I look forward to hearing your feedback, and have a great rest of your day.